Hola Spanish 2. This is your first group of 4 structures that you're going to have for the unit on Conde Lucanor. Okay? So we're going to do this just like we would have done in the classroom on the whiteboard. Okay? So here's my first structure. So she or he would have minded or would have obeyed completely. We're going to write the structure le obedecería en todo. Okay, so my verb, no, we've got the right one. Okay, obedecer is the verb to mind. Okay, and obedecería is the way I'm going to put it in the conditional tense. Okay, the could or the would tense. And so what we need to know for understanding the reading of the text is le obedecería en todo. Okay? All right, the next one. She or he was going to go out walking, okay? Or you could say he or she went out walking, but I've always told you guys that the word iba always means he or she was going to, okay? And it can be literally going to a place, or it can be like fixing to go and do something, okay? So in this case, it's iba caminando. And so what that means is he or she was going to go out walking, okay? Or I could say it, he or she was going out walking, okay? But always remember that iba means he or she was going to, okay? All right, the next one, a disgrace is una desgracia. Okay, so know that word, gracias, okay? And now we're going to put a des in front of it, so it's not a good thing. It's not something to be thankful for, okay? It's something that's bad, okay? So una desgracia, okay? All right, the next one, a good bounty, okay, or a treasure, or, you know, coming up with a load of something that's great would be un buen botín. Okay, so un buen botín, a good bounty or a good treasure. All right, the next one, she or he will be able to predict the future. Okay, that's going to take the future tense in this first verb. It's podrá. So that means he or she will be able, okay? And then predict the future is adivinar. Adivinar, okay? Podrá adivinar means he or she will be able to predict the future, okay? And the last one, she or he should say, okay? We're going to use the verb debería, debería decir. Okay? Now my Spanish verb deber means to be indebted to or to should do something. Okay? So if I include that with any verb, okay, and in this case decir we know is to say, so I put those two together, debería decir, and that means he or she should say, okay? I think in your PQAs it's que no deberías decir a whoever, okay? What should you not say to so-and-so, okay? So let's go through these one more quick time, okay? Le obedecería en todo. Iba caminando. Una desgracia, un buen botín, podrá adivinar, and debería decir. Adiós.